Do you frequently experience stomach discomfort, acid reflux, or bloating that keeps you from enjoying your favorite foods? Digestive issues aren't just an inconvenience. They can disrupt your entire day and make you feel drained. When digestion is off, it affects much more than just your meals. It can interfere with your energy, focus, and even sleep. For those facing frequent acid flare-ups or discomfort, it's hard to find lasting relief that doesn't just cover up the symptoms. That's where MaxHealth Nutraceuticals GI Soothe Capsules come in. Formulated with a blend of natural ingredients like aloe, DGL licorice, and marshmallow root, these capsules work to calm and nourish your digestive tract. They help reduce inflammation, balance acidity, and promote healing, so you can find real, lasting relief. With the convenience of a capsule, GI Soothe fits right into your routine, providing on-the-go support that helps you feel your best after every meal. Reclaim your comfort and confidence with GI Soothe capsules from MaxHealth Nutraceuticals. Visit drnicolemd.com/MaxHealth Nutraceuticals today and take the first step towards a healthier, happier digestive system.